Today, let's see how we can transform our design in just few minutes to add more depth and tactile effect in our project. For this, go to Canva and open New Project. Add an image to the design. Go to Edit. Go to Magic Expand and select Whole Page so that it covers the full canvas. Now duplicate the image and remove its background. Now navigate to the Apps section. Search for the Texture app and select it. Once inside, you'll find a range of texture options, from subtle grains to bold, artistic patterns. Choose a texture that complements your design's theme and apply it to your chosen element. I am here selecting VHS. Now adjust its scale, rotation, intensity, and blending modes to seamlessly integrate the texture into your design, ensuring it enhances rather than overwhelms your design. Now go to Edit and then Shadow. Here select Outline, then choose Yellow color and reduce its thickness and intensity. By doing so, in no time, you can transform simple designs into visually striking pieces that stand out. Similarly, we can experiment with other texture options, as Texture app offers endless possibilities to elevate the creative projects. Like here, I will choose a rainbow texture. This will give our image a new glowy and contrasting effect, creating a rich, multi-dimensional look that captivates viewers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.